another vlog of Techie Eats Fam, and I'm Mamisha together with my family, and we are here in Tennoji Zoo, Osaka, Japan. Tennoji Zoo opened in 1915. This is a historic zoo, and it's a must-visit destination for animal lovers and nature enthusiasts alike. Tennoji Zoo is an 11-hectare zoo located in Tennoji Park, Osaka, Japan. Malapit siya sa Tempozan Market, and kapag nakita nyo yung Chusenkaku Tower, malapit rin siya doon. Actually, malapit lang rin kasi kami nagstay doon sa lugar na yon, kaya walking distance lang ang Tennoji Zoo. Tennoji Zoo is open from 9:30 a.m. till 5 p.m. and open sila from Tuesdays till Sundays, except for Mondays because they have to clean the zoo. They are also closed from December 29 till January 1, since the staff of Tennoji Zoo also needs to celebrate the New Year with their family. So check your calendars first before going to Tennoji Zoo. May 3 Saturday kami nung pumunta sa Tennoji Zoo. And of course, hindi namin alam that it was the Golden Week. That's the reason why ang dami palang tao dito. The Golden Week or Ogun Shukan is a long holiday period in Japan, or it's also known as Haru no Ogata Renkyu or Long Spring Holiday. This is one of Japan's largest holiday periods of the year. This year, the Golden Week started from April 28 and it lasted until May 5. And next year naman, it's from April 29 to May 5. So if you're planning to go to Osaka and of course to the Tennoji Zoo, and ayaw nyo ng sobrang matao para ma-enjoy ninyo yung attractions, don't go in the Golden Week. But actually, na-enjoy namin yung Golden Week here in Tennoji Zoo. Because on their last day, May 5, it's actually the celebration of Children's Day. Actually, na-mention to sa Conan nung nanonood kami. Kaya pala ang daming bata dito sa Tennoji Zoo. Nakakatuwa, buong pamilya nila pumupunta dito sa Tennoji Zoo. So for the tickets naman, so kung pupunta kayo dito sa Tennoji Zoo, it's 500 yen for adults and 200 yen for young kids up to junior high. But for us, luckily, kasama siya sa Klook ticket namin when we bought the Osaka Amazing Pass. Siyempre, sinulit namin yung Osaka Amazing Pass. And of course, ito yung unang-una namin talagang gustong puntahan because in every trip that we go to, even in other countries, naghahanap talaga kami ng zoo because our kids and of course kami mag-asawa, we love to see animals. Like what you can see here, of course, this is the Bat Sanctuary. It is located in the world of birds. Ayan. So, marami tayong mga features dito sa Tennoji Zoo. Like, of course, nandyan ng reptile house, nandyan ng friendship garden, nandyan ng flight aviary. And I'm sure matutuwa ang ating mga chikiting pag pumunta tayo dito sa Tennoji Zoo. And of course, papahuli ba ang ating wild animals? Hindi. Of course, meron din sila dito ng African Savanna, Reptile House, and of course, Hippopotamus House. Ayan, so naglakad-lakad pa ulit kami dito sa zoo kasi sobrang daming ang attractions and ayaw na naming ma-miss out yung opportunity since nandito na rin lang kami. So nakikita natin na marami talagang families na pumupunta dito sa zoo nila. Bakit? Kasi sobrang linis. Sobrang linis ng zoo nila. Tapos wala siyang pungent smell or wala siyang amoy katulad ng, I'm sorry, sa Manila Zoo kasi you can really smell the animals. And dito, well-maintained ang mga animals nila. So, ayan. Elders and of course, yung mga youngsters, nag-e-enjoy kaming lahat na nandito sa Tennoji Zoo. As you can see, ayan, they also have flamingos. And of course, kahit na maraming tao dito sa Tennoji Zoo, makikita nyo na maayos pa rin at nagbibigayan sila, nagte-take turn sila into seeing yung mga animals. And ito na nga guys, nandito na kami sa African Savannah where you can see the giraffe and of course, meron tayong deer. Sobrang nag-enjoy yung mga kids dito kasi kahit na maraming tao, hindi pa rin siya siksikan at saka nagte-take turn sila sa pagtingin ng mga animals. Also guys, inabot na kami ng hapon dito sa Tennoji Zoo. Bakit? Kasi nag-enjoy kami hindi lang dun sa lugar or dun sa pagtingin ng mga animals. Meron silang mga food stalls na kung saan pwede kang kumain. Of course, hindi mawawala yung mga vending machines. And of course, ang ganda ng weather dito. Actually, nung nandito kami, it was like 20 to 21 degrees lang outside. So, para kang naka-aircon, pero nandun ka sa Tennoji Zoo. And now, ang pinaka-iintay namin na makita, of course, hindi namin pinalagpas ang pagkakataon to see the red panda. The red panda is actually a lineage of close affinity with raccoons, weasels, skunks, but it's called red panda. Endangered na ang mga red panda. That's the reason why we're really glad na in this lifetime nakakita kami ng red panda dito sa Tennoji Zoo. And as you know, fan rin ang mga kids namin ng Red Panda movie. So marami pa kaming nakitang animals dito sa Tennoji Zoo, but we'll leave you at that. Pumunta kayo dito so you can experience. I hope you enjoy!